Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trezor Suite for managing Trezor device portfolios step by. To download Trezor Suite for managing your Trezor device portfolios, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in trezor.io and press enter. Once the Trezor homepage loads, look for the download button at the top of the page. Click on the download button to be redirected to the download section. You will see options for different operating systems including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Select the version that corresponds to your operating system. After clicking your chosen version, the download will begin automatically. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. If you're using Windows, look for the .exe file. For Mac users, find the .dmg file. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After the installation is complete, open Trezor Suite. You will be prompted to connect your Trezor device through a USB cable. Once connected, allow the software to recognize your device. Follow any additional prompts to set up your device and portfolio. Explore the various features of Trezor Suite to enhance your portfolio management. You can now securely manage and track your cryptocurrency holdings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.